Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get free $10, $10 to $100 without doing anything by performing simple tasks without investment. Before we dive into this tutorial, if you are new to my channel, do well to leave a like and a subscription. To get started, click the link on the description box below. Then it's gonna show you a Telegram page like this. So this bot is based on Telegram, so it's going to open a page like this. Once the page is opened, then click on open web. You see something like play, so click on the play button. It's gonna open. Then once the bot is loaded,
Okay guys, so let me quickly explain how the game works. It is very simple. Okay, very simple. So daily you're going to be given 60 rounds. Okay, see this place I'm touching here. You'll be given 60 rounds for free mining challenge. You understand? So after every 88 hours you'll be given 20 rounds, so which make it 3 times a day. So if you get one now, which is 5 o'clock, I think the next one will be given to you around 1 a.m. in the morning. After that, you get another one around 9 a.m. in the morning. After that, you get another one around 5 p.m. You understand? So that's how they'll be giving you your 60 round daily, 20, 20, 20 every 8 hours. You understand? So depending on your level, this is the maximum amount of SFC you can mine a day. Okay. So as you can see, level 1, you can only mine 600 SFC. Level 2, the requirement is email verification. Make sure you verify your email, you'll be moved to level 2. Maximum amount you can mine daily is 1200 SFC. After that, level 3, maximum amount is 1800 SFC, and you are required to invite one person. Level 4, invite 3 people. Level 5, invite 10 persons. Level 6, invite 30 people. You understand? And maximum is 900 SFC. So now let me show you guys how to mine. Okay, so click on trade. When you click on trade, you have to select any of these coins here. Okay, go for any of these. Let me go for BTC. When you click on it, you have to predict if it's going to go high or low. You understand? You have to predict if it's going to go high or low. And mind you, as you can see, here is the round they are talking about. I've already used 2 remaining 18. Okay, so whenever you win, they are going to reduce this round. Okay, every time you win, and then the balance you want is going to be added to your total balance. Okay, so now let me predict if this is going to go up or down. Mind you, if you lose, they are going to deduct it from your SFC. You understand? And sorry, yeah, if you lose, they will deduct it from your SFC, but they won't reduce your round. You understand? They will only reduce your rounds whenever you happen to win. Okay, so now let me try predicting and see whether I'm going to win or not. Okay, so let me go for low. Okay, I won. You understand? I won, and my round has been reduced from 18 to 17, but the balance is there to add to my balance. I don't know, maybe it's because of network. Let me try playing this last one. If it doesn't work well, I'll stop playing. So that's just how to play the game. Okay, you have to select any of these two, either high or low. Okay, so if you win, your rounds will be reduced and the balance will be added to your set balance. But if you lose, they are going to deduct the balance from your total balance here, and your round will not be reduced. You understand? So the only time they are going to reduce your round is if you happen to win. Okay, so let me go for low. And like what I said earlier, I told you guys that the round refreshes after every 7 hours. As you can see, the next round is going to be 1 a.m. After the one of 1 a.m., there's going to be another one around 9 a.m. After that one, there's going to be another one around 5 p.m. So I think the game is not working well now because of traffic issue. So that's how to play it. Okay. So one more thing I forgot to tell you guys is that go to personal. When you go to personal, you see this place they put profile. Make sure you link your email address. Okay. Link your email address. After that, don't forget to bind your USDT TRC20 wallet address. Okay, because that's the only place you're gonna get paid. Okay, so let's wait for it to load so you'll be able to see my this thing. As you can see, I've already bind my USDT TRC20 address. Okay, so there's also a referral contest going on. Okay, so when you click on referral ranking, let's wait. I think they want to give out, is it 12,000? I've been at $15,000 to first 800 people. That's top 800 people with highest number of referrals. Okay, so as you can see, they want to give out $15,600 and 2 million SFC token to first 800 people. So number 1 is going to get $500. Number 2 to 10, $200. 11 to 20, 100. Like that. Okay, you can come here and read everything about the referral contest. Okay, so mind you, your referrals are only going to count if they play that mining game. This game I explained earlier, this trading game. Okay, sometimes you might notice that you refer a lot of people, but your referrals are few. Just like me, see, only 49 people are counting, and I've referred up to more than 49 people. So by the time my referrals start playing the game, I'll be able to rank up on the leaderboard. Okay, so they are only going to consider your level 1 referral. So for those of you that want to loot, make sure you use your own link to loot. You understand? Because now level 1, they will consider. Okay, so they will reward first 800 people on the 21st of September. Okay, mind you, they are going to reward you directly to that your USDT address that you bind to this thing on your profile. Okay, so this address here, that's the one they are going to send you your reward into. And I think this their token very soon we'll be able to use it to play this their game, and by playing the game I think we'll be able to earn USDT, which we can withdraw to our wallet. Okay, so that's all about the updates. I think I've explained everything that is to be explained, so that's all.